5-day Mohawk Valley forecast. Yours truly, Jeff Matthews. Accurate educational fun. That's the website. This makes it interactive if you tune in on Periscope. Heavy snow Saturday morning, changes to freezing rain and rain Saturday afternoon, and then Sunday evening temps plummet again. Here's a look at the 7-day temp trend. The numbers warm up Saturday afternoon to the mid-30s, just above freezing. Upper 30s Sunday morning, then they plummet Sunday night. Everything freezes up again for early Monday morning. 3 straight bright, dry days. How about that? Now, we've got problems. We've got things to talk about here. The high that brought the frigid air and pumped it into the northeast is eroding and moving off the coast. But there's still plenty of cold air locked in over Maine and the northeast. This is a warm front. It's the leading edge of warmer air trying to push in and erode the cold air. But as it does so, it creates all of this cloudiness because of the clash of air masses. So, as this warm front edges in, clouds and the snow Friday night starts and continues into Saturday morning until the warm front gets close enough. Now, what gets the warm front close enough? This storm. It's too far away for it to push the warm enough air in for it to start as rain. So it'll start as snow. As the storm moves across Chicagoland, northeastern Ohio, and central Pennsylvania, it will push the warm front ahead of itself so that there'll be a changeover by Saturday lunchtime to rain. But the problem is, everything on the ground is frozen solid. So we're talking about freezing rain as well. It's a long event, as you can see, going almost 2,000 miles from one end to the other. And it's mostly snow. But when it pushes into our neck of the woods, the snow will begin changing to rain only onto first around 10 a.m. tomorrow, Saturday morning, around lunchtime for Rome, Utica, and then around 3 or 4 for Boonville and Old Forge. The impact will be significant, moderate, and it will not only be in the snow category for half a foot, but for ice on top. So that's a real problem. Here's a look at my snow forecast. About 4, 5, maybe 6 inches for Oneonta. About 5, 6, maybe 7 inches for Rome, Utica. The amounts go up further north because the changeover will be later in the day. 8 a.m. for southeastern New York State, 10 a.m. for Oneonta, maybe noon or 2 o'clock for Rome, Utica, and then 4 o'clock for Old Forge and Boonville. 2 important notes on the almanac. One is the record low. We shattered it with minus 11. That record low set in 1930, 90 years old, bye-bye, because we crushed it Friday morning. The other thing of note, we only had that much liquid when you melt it down, but it amounted to 7 inches of solid. Wow, that is some light, fluffy snow, and it brought our total over 30 inches for the season, which is way ahead of pace. 9 hours of daylight, we only lose a couple of more minutes before it bottoms out and begins reversing after Christmas. The website has a partner page. It's an opportunity for you to support Weathertainment. I encourage you, please help. Snow Saturday morning, half a foot, give or take. Changes to rain late morning and early afternoon as the temps climb above freezing. But there's freezing rain then. Showery rains, which could include pockets of freezing rain Saturday night. This is a major concern because we may have an ice rink going on out there. Sunday morning showers end. Clouds linger in the afternoon, but temperatures plummet late in the day and at night. Way downtown to single digits by Monday morning. 5 above is my forecast low. Monday will be a cold day, but at least we get 3 straight bright days, let's say a mix of sun and clouds, for Monday, Tuesday, and for Wednesday too. That is your 5-day Mohawk Valley forecast. Make it a safe weekend.